Alright guys, this is a paintless dent removal kit from Eastwood. It's about 50 bucks. You've seen the other companies, eBay and all the other cheap ones and stuff. This is an Eastwood brand. I'm assuming it's a much better item than the other ones that are available. Let's take a look what's in here. Alright, what's in here of course is instructions. And what we have is the glue sticks. We have looks like a little slapstick. Oh, nice, heavy. All right, nice quality here. Then we have the tool itself. Okay, you put the little adapters in there. You slide them in there, a little hole. This rests against the body. Then when you squeeze it, it pulls on it. Looks like this is the adjustment for the height if you want to pull it a little bit more. This is the glue gun, and this you're supposed to fill it up with alcohol, so that after you pull the dent you're going to spray with alcohol and you'll be able to get the glue off. That does not come with it, it's empty. You have to get your own alcohol. Then of course this is a little plastic scraper to scrape the glue off after you're done. And these are all the adapters. All right, I got oval ones in 3 different sizes. Then you have round ones, 3 different sizes. These are flat round ones. And then you get these, which have like a little cave to it. See it? Little ball. Because that's so it can go into the dent and pull it out. Like I said, it's 3 different sizes. And there's your variety of stuff here. So this looks like a glue gun, typical glue gun. I'm sure you guys used them before. Hobbies, gluing things, arts and crafts. All right, stick the glue gun in there. Let it heat up for about 10-15 minutes, and then you start to squeeze the trigger, and it's going to come out of there. According to the directions, what you're going to do is you're going to pick whichever one fits the dent the properly. Not too big, not too small. And then you're going to put the little glue in here, about 1/16 of a size. Let it glue on for about a couple minutes. Then they want you to slide it in here, like that, with the gun, and you're going to squeeze it, and it's going to pull that dent out. So, I'm going to walk over here with a round one and the football size one. And look at the dent I'm going to try it on. Right here. You guys see it? It's right here. That angle. There you go, see a little better. Right there. Perfect one for a dentless removal kit. The round one might work, but I really think that the oval one has a better chance. Like that. Since the dent looks a little longer like that. So I want to glue this one on there and try to pop it. Alright, so I'm going to go set up the gun, get it nice and hot, and then we'll get back to you. Oh, got too carried away. Forgot about filming it. But anyway, took the glue, put it on a little piece, and put it on there. Like I said, just like a glue gun. Stuck the glue in there, squeezed it out. I placed it on there. 5 minutes or so, you have to sit. Not 5 minutes, 5 to 10 seconds. I'm going to put you on this little clip here to hold the camera. And we are going to give it a pull. Here is the tool. I'm going to slide it on there. Alright, I'm going to watch. Let's see. Oh, I got to adjust the tool. See it? I squeeze it all the way. and it doesn't pull because it's pretty even. So I'm gonna go do this. By doing this, I'm actually shortening up the rod, so the pull would be a little bit better. Doesn't say anything on the instructions about this, but all right. So I tightened it. It's pretty snug to that. And I'm gonna pull this up. Ready? Not bad. I see two little dimples here. The centerpiece actually came up. All right, let's get that alcohol. Actually, I can peel this off myself. That actually came up, that piece. Got two little dimples over here. I'm gonna try to get those with a smaller piece. So the smaller piece, I'm going to try to get this here. That looks good. Looks like it fits in there. So same thing. Here's my glue gun. Put a little glue on here. Let's do this one first. Looks like the center, approximately. All right, same thing. Tighten up a little bit. I'm gonna go pull this little dent out. That glue actually didn't even stick. Let's try it again. Maybe because I didn't hold it firmly like they said. So I'll push it firmly in there. Should be good. Get the old trusty tool. Slide it in there. A little snug. And I'm going to pull it out a little bit. That looks pretty good. All right, I'm going to get this one right here. Going to use the same one. Put it right here, right in that center of that dent right there. Hold it right there, nice and firm. Word to the wise, wear gloves. This thing just fell on me and Had a little glue in here. I didn't burn myself, but I could feel it. It was heat. Heat, heat, heat. All right. I'm going to show you this way if you can see it. Yeah, loosened it up. Slide it in there like that. See it? Then I want to tighten it up. To it snug. Once it's snug, I'm going to give it a pull. Not bad. Not bad at all. Let me see if I can spray this all up and clean it. Alcohol rub. I'm going to go right here with another little spot. Right here. Looks good. Clearly the dent is out. Put a little dimple right here. Same thing. Slide it in there. I'm just going to turn it around. Like that. Then I'm going to adjust it. And that's a snug. And I'm going to give it a little pull. That without the scraper. Not bad. Listen, it's not perfect, but it's better than before. That is for sure. All right, let me see if I can show it to you a little better. Take the camera angle out. Not bad, see? Dent is gone. I have to try it on a more of a trickier dent. But this one is good. Look at that. Just gonna get the glue off of here. And that's it. Alright. Eastwood dentless puller. Try it out. $50, can't go wrong.